we're back in the action, boys. Now, y'all might want to buckle up your girlfriend for this one if y'all are driving in the car while watching NameBran. Y'all might see something wild that jumps out and makes you slam on the brakes. We don't want her flying through the window. I mean, unless she sucks, and I guess that's your call to make. Did you make the right decision? Hope so. Anyway, man, we got a sick video today. I think. And keyword is I think. You know, I never really know things in life. I be throwing shots up in the air and just hoping for the best. Maybe it hits a tree and it doesn't come down. Or maybe it comes down on a grandma, which would be awful. Yeah, just picture me as a little bullet flying through the air. You know, either I land on a tree or I land on your bitch. Pause. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is I think this video is gonna be dope. Let me explain. Y'all know that we've done these videos in the past. Dumpster diving, Adidas, Supreme, Nike, da-da-da-da-da. Now we've come up with some of the biggest come-ups I've ever seen anyone dumpster diving with. Doing. Catching? I don't know. You know, I like to call myself the best homeless man that was never a homeless man alive. I'll be coming up with the garbage cans. Call me Oscar the Grouch. However, today, we will not be dumpster diving ourselves because as you guys know, I'm banned from Nike in the city, I'm banned from Adidas in the city, and I don't want to take the chance of them checking their footage, seeing NameBran dumpster diving in their dumpster, finding something maybe dope, and then them pressing charges, because I can't have any more of those on me. So, we took to you guys. Now, you guys know I've been saying in the past, and I actually said it recently, if you guys go dumpster diving, which I do not promote, let me know if you come up with anything. And if you do, send it over, I'll pay for shipping, I'll pay for shipping back with whatever you came up with. Now the exciting thing is, finally somebody has hit me up saying, NameBran, I went to a Nike outlet dumpster and I think I found something real sick. Now I took his word for it. You know, this could have been a bomb in the mail. It could have been one of those dilds that you guys keep sending me. Whoever leaked my address, I'd love to know that. Or it could be a sick shoe. Now luckily it's neither one of those weird ones that actually is a shoe because I can feel it in the package. I just wanted to give myself some credit for being ballsy. So what we got here, I'm trying not to show my address, is literally one shoe. Now I asked the guy to tell me what it was, whether it was a Jordan or some sort of Nike, but not to tell me the kind. What he did say is it was a Jordan. Now I'm feeling this, you know, I think you got a little half-assed on this one, buddy. You found one shoe in the dumpster and you decided to send it over. It's not a pair, but I get it. To find the other shoe, it'd take you at least 2 minutes to go diving through more of the dumpster that you're already in. So why don't we just find the first one and send it to NameBran and half-ass it? I like your style. Without further ado, boys, we got the package in hand. NameBran, how in the mother of dick you about to open up that package? From a dumpster? Puss? I've missed my line. Alright, boys. So once again, I'm pretty stoked. And also, once again, I have done this before. I'm not going to promote dumpster diving, but I think it's kind of fun, especially for you guys to see. This dude sounded kind of genuine with it. I'm going to wait to see without feeling the shoe if there's some sort of note. Because I told him to write me a note so I could read it off to the boys. Okay, we got something here. Some newspaper. What else do we have? Wait, no, the newspaper actually has writing on it. Once again, I love your style. Told you I would send it! Exclamation point. Thank you for not lying to me. Love you, NameBran. Your writing is horrendous. Please shout me out. Dude, you don't have any tag on this. I think you might be a little dumb, buddy. I love it. And then he drew a penis over this girl's nose with snot coming out, maybe, or something else. That's awesome, buddy. Really appreciate it. If one of you guys sent this package, leave a comment down below. If you guys see any of those comments, thumbs it up so I can see, even though it's probably somebody lying to all of us, taking credit where it's not due. I do want to say one more thing. He actually said I could keep this shoe. I'm gonna see how dope it is first. If it's something really sick, I'm just gonna send it back to him. But I did ask him if I did keep it, if I could send it out to one of you guys. All you guys gotta do is like the video down below, comment something, and follow me on Instagram. Message me on there and tell me you did all of that. And hitting the notification button will help you out too. Alright, I'm really stoked for this. I haven't done this in so long, as you guys... Oh! I don't even know what this is! What? Okay, alright, buddy, you better not be lying. Okay, about finding this in the dumpster. What we have here is a very tiny, probably midget size. I'm not trying to be offensive, but that is a fact. Jordan right here. Oh my god. What? What number is this? What is it, like a 15 or like an 11 or something like that? We got the gold embroidery and everything. This is sick. So we got this shoe right here. Honestly, I'm gonna give it to you, man. This is probably the best find I've ever found in a dumpster, even though I usually find 2 shoes sometimes. This is crazy. Good find, buddy. I think this is a fun thing for the channel to show, hey, we go treasure hunting with our subscribers. Whatever that means. Anyway, so the one thing we always look at, well, this is like kind of what I've made up myself, but I feel like if they're gonna throw any sneakers out in a Nike dumpster, there must be something wrong with them. So the first thing I see right here is a little mini toe box crease. Whether they've been worn too much, they can't sell it, I don't know. Another thing I'm seeing is a bunch of diamonds are missing, I think only on this side. I don't know if it picks it up, but there's a big bunch right there. Yeah, and there's a few missing right here too. So I don't know how that works, but anything that I found has either been damaged, like I found some with pen all over it. I think they were Jordan 1. I found other ones with like burn holes in them, which I don't know how that happens. And I've also, while we're talking about things I found in Nike dumpsters, I found literal human shit in there one time. Apparently Nike employees are shitting in their garbage cans, and that's a fact. Anyway, man, very sick pickup. I just thought I'd have to show this off, the surprise aspect of it, but they're still laced up like they're Gucci, you know what I'm saying? Not gonna waste any more of your time, just a little fun video today, and I encourage you guys, but I don't promote it. If you guys do any dumpster diving, you don't want to send it over or something like that, take a picture of it, and maybe I'll show the boys in a video. I wish you all the best of luck. This is a find today, and what I want you guys to do down below, also to help you win this shoe, if whoever wants it, you gotta be at least 4 feet tall if you want it, actually. That's one of the rules. No, I don't care who gets this. Yeah, just let me know if this is a win or a loss, and also if you actually think it came from a Nike dumpster, because people could be lying to us, but I don't know why you'd send one shoe and keep the other one. Anyway, boys, I appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fams, real strong, Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. This is not 10 minutes. We might do a chillin' with NameBran next.
Hi, thank you for calling Walmart. This is Truth speaking. How can I help you?
Hey there. I just had a quick, I guess, kind of problem. My son was over at your location the other day, and he was dumpster diving, I guess behind your building or wherever you keep your dumpsters, and he seemed to have come home with what it looked human feces on him that he said was in the dumpster. I was just wondering how we could figure this out, because that seems kind of ridiculous.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Yeah.
But if that's the case, sir, let me transfer the call to the customer service.
Yeah, I'd love that. Thanks so much. How's your day, guys? How y'all doing? I'm thinking of doing this new subject at the end of each chilling with NameBran, of maybe like prank calls, because I used to do this stuff always and I'm like pretty good at them. So you guys give me ideas down below what you want to see next. I'll do anything. We're calling Walmart right now too, by the way. I didn't want to mess around with Nike too much. I just thought it was funny. Hey there. So I had a quick issue that I don't know if you had your last employee talk to you about it. So my son was over, I guess, behind your building or wherever at your location, dumpster diving with a couple of his buddies. He's like 8 years old. They kind of do what they do. And he came home with human feces on him that he said he got from the dumpster. And I'm just wondering why there might be human feces in your dumpster, if there's some employees there who are causing human, excrement to go into your garbages there, because it's a lot, and I still haven't cleaned him yet. I'm getting him to clean himself, but he keeps neglecting to do that. He says Walmart should clean it for me.
Manager for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hold on, okay?
Yeah. Alright, we're going a little farther than I thought. They're calling the manager.
Hello, can I help you?
Hey there. So, I don't know if you've been talked to about the situation at hand. Okay, so my son, he's 8 years old. He went to Walmart with his buddies, and they went dumpster diving after, like kids do, and he found human feces in there, and I guess he got it all over his body. He's got feces all over him in the house right now, and I'm just wondering what's going on with people maybe excrementing in your, garbage cans at Walmart, or what's going on.
For the what, sorry?
Excrement. He found excrement, human excrement, in your dumpster. So I don't know, like...
We don't have dumpsters, so I'm not sure what you're talking about. Our dumpsters are attached to the store.
Yeah.
Unless he was physically in the building.
He must have been in the building.
Got into our...
He does get into things.
Pardon me?
He must have been in the building then.
No, there's no way he's in our building, because only associates can come in the store, so it's not correct.
Okay.
We have little garbage cans in the front of our store.
Oh.
That's it. If he was in the back lane,
yeah.
then potentially that it was Home Depot or something, I don't know.
Okay, well he did get...
No way that anybody can throw anything in our dumpsters.
Yeah, well, you know, I will... If you'd let me explain, I will take the loss on that one, because he also... They play this game of like, let's talk to homeless people or whatever, and he gets in fights with them all the time, so that might have happened too. And it might not have come... He might be lying.
I'm not sure what happened, but I can guarantee you that we have no dumpsters. If we don't have dumpsters...
Yeah, I'll take that.
Like I said, the internal one, so...
Thank you so much. All right, well, I'll talk to him about this and see who he's talking to, and hopefully there's no bad stuff on this paper. All right.
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure Home Depot, like, we're next to a bunch of businesses.
Oh, it probably was them.
Potentially could be them.
I'll call Home Depot next.
I would probably,
okay. Thanks so much. Bye.
Yeah.
Alright, well there we go, boys. Chillin' with NameBran, we out. Plow.